Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign in to your Amazon account and your mobile device. Now let's begin. Do you note that I have already installed the application in my mobile device, and right now I just want to sign in. Initially, it's gonna ask you to select your country, language, and currency. I'm okay with it right now, so I'm just gonna click on done. Then initially, you will be redirected to this page. Right now, what we need to do is simply go to the account section. On the bottom of the screen, you will see an icon like a profile. Simply click on it. And from here, what you guys need to do is simply click on sign in. Do you note that in case you want to create an account, you can create an account from right here as well. You just need to click on the create account button right here. But for now, I'm just gonna click on sign in right now. Then it's gonna redirect me to this page. What I have to do is simply enter my email or phone number right now. As you can see, I have entered my email address. Now what I need to do is simply hit on continue. Once you do that, it's gonna ask you to enter your password. Enter it right now. In case you've forgotten it, hit on the forgot password button and simply follow the prompts. That way, you can again regain access to your account. For now, I'm just gonna enter my password right here. And once everything's okay, simply hit on sign in. And guys, that's it. That's how you sign in to Amazon on your mobile device. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.